At the beginning of the summer holidays, it's designed for those who have just left Year 11 all the way up to those who have just left Year 13. It gives them an idea of what it's like to work in STEM.
I found it was a really fun experience because I was surrounded by a lot of people that had the same passion as me for science, and that was really cool.
So they'll have different workshops from different STEM employers, from biology, chemistry, engineering, and we'll also do some key skills workshops.
We've looked at what jobs would help fit us easier, and we've also had practice with interviews, and it's been very helpful with looking at going into work.
So our STEM summer experiences tend to be themed. This year we've gone for a coding and robotics theme, so along with all of the STEM careers skills that we try and put into the experience, we also have a robotics challenge, which means the students are programming, building their own robots that we're going to challenge them with at the end of the 2 weeks. So this week we'll see students soldering, we'll see them programming, we'll see them trying to draw out designs for their different robots so they can overcome the various challenges that we're going to give them.
The coding and linking coding with actual machine hardware, that I found really fun, and that's probably been the most enjoyable. I've also enjoyed meeting new people. I've made quite a few new friends here, and that has made my week so much more enjoyable.
I would recommend that students who are interested in STEM take part in this experience, as they would be able to learn new skills and improve upon what they already know.
Every moment has been so enjoyable for me, and it's just so happy being here.